Welcome back, guys. It's time for some mad science fun here on Living Oklahoma.
Our favorite mad scientists are hyping us up for the Easter weekend of today's experiment. So grab your eggs or your basketball and head back to the lab to check it out.
Yes, thank you. We are the dogs of science.
Woof, woof.
And we are so happy to be back here on Living Oklahoma.
Woo.
By the way, what's happening this week? Something's happening on the weekend.
Easter,
yeah. There are so many things associated with Easter. When you think of Easter, as far as things that we do around to celebrate Easter, what do you do?
egg hunting.
Egg hunting, that's great. Okay, now I dyed some eggs, and you can see the boys already went and hunted for them and found them. But we like to bring eggs into science, so I've got a science activity for you using eggs, okay? Now be careful, because most people hard boil their eggs before they hide them. I did not. Those eggs are all raw. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to use them for an activity that I like to call inertia. Okay, inertia. Go ahead and pour some water in there. All right.
You got to break a few eggs to make an omelet.
I hope not. Not in this activity. I don't want to make it. I don't want to break any eggs. Okay, that's enough right there. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. You're going to like this one. Okay, I'm going to take a plate. I'm going to set it right here. I'm going to set that glass in the middle of the plate. I'm going to set this right here and put that right on top. Okay, now I want you to grab an egg, any egg you want, and put it right on top of that.
Color.
Okay, just set it right on top. Okay. There you go. Here, let's do this. Let's set it sideways.
The fact that you have not boiled these
kind of makes you nervous. Yeah, okay. Now, here's the thing. How can we get the egg into the water without breaking it and without picking anything up?
the force.
The force, okay. Didn't work.
I mean, it's wobbly.
I've got an idea. You ready?
Yeah.
This is so cool. I saw it on a YouTube video,
Oh, no.
so you know it works. Wait a minute. It was my YouTube video. So it worked, okay. Okay, are you ready? So this is what you do. I am going to move the plate, which will move the toilet paper tube. The egg will fall down into the glass. Are you ready?
Sure.
Watch. Here we go. Pretty cool, huh?
That was so scary.
Pretty cool. Now this is what's happened. It's called inertia. Inertia means the egg was sitting right there. An object will stay in place until a force acts upon it to move it. Okay? So what it did, it stayed right there.
That force was your master karate chop.
Well, no, what it did, I moved the plate, which moved that, and it didn't pull the egg with it because the egg was sitting up there. Everything went out from under it, and it fell right down in there.
Ah.
So if you want to try this at home, make sure you ask your mom or dad, parent or pet. Not your parent or pet, no.
Boil your eggs.
Boil your egg first in case you mess up.
Because you're not a master of martial arts.
It wasn't martial arts, it was just science. But that's what happened. The only force left to act on the egg after I moved everything away was gravity, which pulled it right down. That's when it happened. Now, if you want to learn more about this and other mad science activities, this is so cool. You can do it. Don't drink that.
Okay.
It's got a raw egg in it. You can do it by going to our YouTube channel, Dogs of Science.
Yes, that's
You can do it by going to our Facebook page,
Dogs of Science.
No! Mad Science OKC, or to our website, OKC of Mad Science. There you go. We're going to have summer camps. We're going to have after-school programs. We are coming back out. We're going to be going into libraries. Call your library. Ask them if they can get us to come there. We would love to. Can't wait to see you next time right here on Living Oklahoma in the Mad Science Lab.
Oh, Miles almost got you with an April Fool's joke, Malcolm.
He really did.
He thought he was actually going to drink that. You got us, Miles.
Don't
Good
drink
one.
it. Don't drink
Good
that,
one.
Miles.
We'll be back tomorrow for our Mad Science finale. That's at 10:45.
Yeah, and set those DVRs so you don't miss out on any of the science fun that you can try with your family at home.
Remember to visit okcmadscience.org for more educational resources.